welcome to our YouTube channel. So this video will talk about how to create a document inside the InDesign 2020 CC version. Okay, so first of all, you just need to launch your InDesign. After that, you will see this interface. So what we need to do is create a artboard. So how we create an artboard? Go to create new, click on create new, then we'll see this pop up. Okay, so the title, maybe we just put the document 1. Okay, and then the width and height is the size of this document. What is the size you want to use? You can use the A4 size or the other size. So we just stick with the A4 size. And then the orientation, we can use the either landscape or the portrait. So this is horizontal, this is vertical. And then how many pages you want to use for this InDesign? Maybe you can put 2 or you can put 3. This one up to you how many pages you want. Okay, and then remember to uncheck the facing pages. After that, you will ask you what pages you want to start first. You want to start from first page, second page, or third page. So by default is the the first page. After that, you will see there's a margin here and then also the bleed. So bleed, maybe we can put 3 mm first for top, bottom, left, and right. The slot, we just leave it at 0. Then the margin is the inner part for you to do the alignment. Maybe we just stick with the original. After that, press on create to apply. Okay, once you apply, you will see there is a white color paper in the center of the interface. And then if you look details, you will see there's a red color border around the paper. And then there is a purple color inside of the paper. So the purple color is the margin of this A4 paper, and then the red color is the bleed margin that we set. So still remember, this is the 3 mm bleed margin. So what is the use of the bleed margin? So bleed margin is for us to avoid the white color border when we want to send to offset printing. So just remember, apply and bleed margin at least 3 mm for the offset printing. So you're already done for creating a new document inside the InDesign. So thank you for watching.